I can recall another one like in, I think it was in '85, like when all that androgynous shit was going on, and we in the club, we getting our groove on, shaking it up, and Prince came in. And that's when Purple Rain came out, and Prince was the shit. You know what I'm saying?
Chris Baily, what's going on, Chris?
What's going on? How are you?
I'm doing fine, man.
Good.
All right.
Welcome.
Hey, man, why don't you show me around? I do see this young lady back here. I know a lot of guys was talking about her. Who is that lovely lady back there, Chris?
That's the wife in the accounting department. I stay out of that room.
All right. You heard that? He stay out of that room, and y'all better stay out of that room.
That's accounting.
All right.
Yep.
So let's come on back in here, guys, and let's see.
We did a 422 stroker. It's on a stock blower. Still right now, Magnuson, we should get our new blower on Monday. But Bill over at Paramount Trans built the 8-speed. Modern Muscle and us, we built the 422 stroker, and on a stock blower made 900 to the tire on 10 pounds. So they did pretty good. And parachutes, drag spoiler.
So what type of time are you trying to get out of it?
We're trying to, we're gunning for the record right now, so we're trying to break into 8.5s.
Wow.
Where we should be able to. So power wise, what we're predicting it should land is about 11 to 1200 horsepower to the top. It's got G-force rear end in it. It's got the full 9-inch conversion. So.
Prince had on it was like a Zorro type outfit. It had the ruffles that come down in the front. He had the big perms flushed out and all that. And mustache and everything that was drawn on his face. And they came over where we was at.
Would you like to come to my house and listen to some music?
Ooh, that's cool. Fruity, get the car.
Assemble your crew. I'll be outside. This bores me. Is anyone up for a game of basketball? How about you and your friends versus me and the revolution?
challenge Prince to a game of ball one-on-one. Challenge him. All right? And make sure your people is there to see the game. because you might get embarrassed. Trust me. After it was all over, he took us in the house and served us pancakes.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.